Good morning, everyone. Today we will be doing one activity to demonstrate the phenomenon of transpiration. So the aim in this activity is to demonstrate that water is lost as water vapor during transpiration. You all know what is transpiration? The loss of water in the form of water vapor from the aerial parts of the plant is known as transpiration. And from which part it mainly occurs? From the leaves. So what materials we will require to perform this activity? A well-watered plant, a plant that has many leaves. Okay, it can be a potted plant in your home, or if you have a tree in your home whose leaves are accessible to you, you can also perform this experiment on that tree. Then a transparent polythene bag or a Ziploc bag, a string or a band which you can tie on the plant. Next we will see how we will perform this experiment. So here I have performed this for you. Let us see. Here I have taken this potted plant, a lemon plant in my house, and a poly bag which is a transparent poly bag. And with poly bag I have taken one rubber band. Okay, this kind of rubber band. You can also take a thread, a string or a band, any kind of band. Then you know what is transpiration? The loss of water from the leaves in the form of water vapor or from the aerial parts. Now I have selected leaves and I will cover the leaves by the polythene bag like this. Okay, and after covering it you have to tie it properly so that no amount of water or air can pass inside the moisture or air can pass inside the poly bag. Okay, so here I have done one already half an hour earlier, and I have tied this transparent poly bag with rubber band like this on a bundle of leaves. As it was a hot sunny day, so only in half an hour I could collect this much of moisture inside this polythene bag. Can you see this? They are shining like diamonds, the small tiny droplets. Why they have collected? Because of the condensation of water vapor which have been released by the leaves of the plant. And now when I tied this, I have tied it such a way that the poly bag is having a downward fall. Now you see this poly bag is having a downward fall like this. And why it is having so? Why I have tied it like this? So that the condensed water vapor can be collected, and you can see that water is collected inside the polythene bag. Now what is our observation in this activity? We will observe that moisture collects on the inner surface of polythene bag. And why it is? It is because of the water vapor which is released by the plants by the process of transpiration. This water vapor are then condensed and deposited on the inner surface of polythene bag. Isn't it? Then conclusion is that water is lost from the aerial parts of a plant during transpiration. So this is all about this activity. All of you do it at your home. It is very easy and very interesting also. Have a nice day. Enjoy your studies.